This is just a quick little video showing the terminal program, which is a little troubleshooting for the terminal emulation program, and we're going to hook up the Acuity AR2500 laser using it. And so once you unzip it, you're going to open the terminal program, and here you can see the terminal program. First thing we're going to do is we're going to verify that you have the correct COM port for your sensor. For the AR2500, we've got it 115.2, 8 data bits, parity none, stop bits 1, and handshaking or flow control none. So we have that all correctly set up. And so we're going to come in, we're going to hit connect, and so now we've connected the laser. And so what we have to do is we need to go down into the section here, the gray section, and put on your cap locks. And if we type in DT and hit enter, you can see that we're streaming the data right here. So in your instance, click on this gray area, hit the escape button, and you should be able to break that communication like we see. I'm going to type in PA, enter, and here you can see the format that the sensor set up to. So let's come back in, and we're going to change. Here we've already changed the S of A value to 65, which will give us about 150 hertz. I believe you also wanted an SE0 setting, and then we're going to put in for the analog, we're going to put in the QA 5-15. I'm not sure if that's taken. Let's just take a quick look. You can always come back here and look at it. And it did not take it because we probably don't have the right format. We're going to probably need QA 5.000 space 15.000. Let's see if that takes. And it appears that instruction is taken. Let's just check it real quick. And it still didn't take because we don't have the right spacing. So let's try that again. QA 5.000 space 15.000. So that's in meters. And here you can see now that it's taken. So it's very important to have the spacing correct on this. And then the last command we're going to put in is SD0 space 3. And so that's changing what the output of the binary signal. So now let's come back in and let's put this in ASDT, auto start distance tracking, and then distance tracking, hit enter. And so now when we hit escape, you can see that we're getting the displacement, and I believe it's the temperature and also the quality of the signal. So we should be up and running, and let's just take a look at that speed. And here you can see that we are getting about 150 hertz. So that's how I would try to reset the AR2500s and see if with this new terminal program it's going to be able to help break that communication logjam.